Too many businesses in Fort Myers still think IT is just about resetting passwords. But when an e-commerce storefront hits peak season and the payment gateway stalls, that's not a minor glitch. It's lost revenue, shaken customer trust, and jobs at risk. As Brad Conert, president of Gamma Tech Services, puts it, tech pros here aren't just keeping the lights on. They're building the backbone for business growth in Fort Myers. It is now center stage, driving every transaction and service. The demand for skilled IT talent is real. For example, employment of information security analysts is projected to grow 32% from 2022 to 2032. That means every time a healthcare network launches telehealth or a logistics company upgrades security, there's a scramble for people who actually know IT. Getting the right talent now isn't just about filling jobs. It's about keeping your operations running and staying ahead of the competition. Local tech schools in Fort Myers are stepping up. They partner with employers so graduates can jump into real projects, cutting down onboarding delays. With 75% of IT leaders struggling to find the right skills, these schools are closing the gap. Flexible options like boot camps and night classes let people upskill without leaving their jobs, which means fewer errors and faster rollouts for local businesses. Cybersecurity boot camps are making an immediate impact, turning IT generalists into specialists in just weeks. Nearly 38% of new cybersecurity pros come from unconventional backgrounds, bringing fresh problem-solving skills to roles that can't stay vacant. College IT programs, meanwhile, focus on building pipelines that keep local businesses resilient, even when hiring freezes hit. The right IT education in Fort Myers isn't about chasing certifications. It's about building the muscle your business needs to grow, adapt, and stay secure. If you want to see how local IT programs can drive real business results, read the full article on our website and add us to your playlist.